Hey there, this is Rich, your coastal Maryland and Delaware realtor. I wanted to introduce you to one of my listings here in the amenity-rich Century One building in North Ocean City. This is a special treat because it's a top floor, two-story condo unit, so you get direct ocean views and bay views that you don't want to miss. So come on with me and we'll go take a tour. Hey, there we have it. Thank you for watching. Check out more information on this listing on my website at livebyoc.com and to connect with me. And until next time, I'll see you soon.